Geometry optimization can be used to find a stable structure or transition state, which is a basic task in computational chemistry. Here we demonstrate how to use MLatom for geometry optimization. First, we do this on the Zax cloud. Enter the task name. Then prepare the input file. And upload the initial gas file of the molecule. Submit the task. When the optimization is complete, you can find the output in Job Manager. Now we demonstrate this in Python. Import the MLatom module first. Then get the initial gas for the molecules to optimize. Next, choose one of the predefined methods. Then optimize the geometry with the chosen optimizer. And get the final geometry and its x, y, z coordinates. Finally, check and save the final geometry. In addition, you can also check the optimization trajectory. Now we upload the initial configuration file of the molecule. Then run in Python. When it's finished, we can obtain the optimized geometry. If you have further questions, criticism, and suggestions, we would be happy to receive them in English or Chinese via email, Slack, or WeChat. Please send an email to request to add you to the Zax user support group.